Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So my name is Lucy. If you are into makeup, learning about new makeup brands, learning about makeup tricks, and also what makeup works and doesn't, well, you came to the right channel. Today we are going to be doing a collab video, and it is going to be with Alisa here on YouTube, and we're each going to be doing a challenge video, and I'm going to link her channel and her video down below in the description box. So the video I'm going to be doing is going to be a video that Nikki Tutorials here on YouTube did, and it is using all my eyeshadow palettes. She had 171. I am not even close to that, thank God. But I have 53 palettes that I have to apply all on my face. Yeah, that's a lot. So, that's why I'm wearing only foundation right now. I look like Casper the Ghost, if that answered your question, why I look like this. But yeah, so we're gonna get into the video and let's see how this look using 53 palettes that I own turns out. Let's get into it. So to start off the video, I'm gonna start with my brows. So I'm gonna be using my Anastasia Soft Glam palette, and I'm just gonna be going in with Cypress Umber, this brown shade right here for my brows, because we gotta fill in them brows. So brows are done, one palette down, 52 to go. My eyes are primed, so we're gonna go into the Give It To Me Straight palette by ColourPop, and I'm gonna go in with this palish purple. Going into the Yes Please palette, and I'm gonna go in with this brown shade right here. Green Street palette, and I'm gonna go in with this deeper color right here. Through My Eyes palette, and I'm gonna go in with this more peachy shade right here. We're gonna go into this Rimmel palette, and I'm gonna dip into this purple right here. I'm gonna use this shade right here as highlighting color for my under eyes, and I'm gonna get a bigger, fluffier brush, and let's see how this goes. If I'm going to completely ruin it, I think I may have made it darker. Well, might as well do the other eye. No clue if that made it worse or better. I think it just looks not great. Another brightening shade. I think I'm gonna try this one now. See if that one does anything better. Ooh, it kind of does. I'm gonna go in with this peach on my inner corner of my eye. It looks like a pretty kind of sunset. Go in with this color right here, just like between green and orange, on my inner part of my lid. I'm gonna go in with this pink and just blend it on the outer my crease and see how that wrinkle in the outer corner. And with this Cosmetics palette, I think I'm going to go in with this shade, just Happy Purple. In with this blue right over here and put it in the middle a little bit more. Build that blue up a little bit. I'm going to use Pillow Fight as a little brow bone highlighter. So just the light, so hopefully you guys can see a little bit better. Can you guys see that highlight? It's not looking too bad. Cute. There's like a pile of palettes right over here. I just hope it doesn't tip over. I'm gonna use Seaside just in the outer corner of the lid. I'm gonna go in with this deep purple right here. With Celia on the lid. Right in the inner corner of the outer of the bottom left side. I'm not even making sense anymore. I'm gonna go in with my finger instead. I'm gonna go in with this shimmer and put on my lid. In with this red metallic just on the outer corner of my lid. I'm gonna go in with this in my inner corner right over here. Other cheek. It looks a little bit pink. It's not bad for a bronzer. god, that's a lot of products. Oh boy, use that same brush that I used for bronzer just to buff out that pink because it's really bright. Use this shade as the highlight for the side. This look is not coming out too bad. I'm gonna put this purple on my, this blue on my lip. Let's see. Lastly, we're gonna go in with a sparkly shade on my finger. It's shiny, but we're gonna put it on our lid. And we're done, guys, with the eyes. I'm just gonna put on some mascara and a lip, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I just put on mascara and a gloss, and this is the final look. What are we thinking? Like, thank you so much for watching today's video, and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and subscribe down below if you are new, and don't forget to check out Elisa's video. I'll leave it down below in the description box, and I will see you guys soon.